A task is a simple something that a computer does. You create a task by using one of two options in the Actions part of the Task Scheduler window. You can create a basic task or create a task. The Create Basic Task option lets you to set up a new task quickly, especially when you are just starting out. The key to setting up a task is scheduling when the task takes place, which is the trigger. Tasks can happen at a certain time, on an interval of time, or an event, such as starting Windows or logging into the PC. You can also schedule a task to take place when the computer starts, when you log into Windows, or after another task has run or an event has taken place.
The option Backup and Restore permits you to create backups of the personal files that you consider the most important. The Action Center permits the user to see the alerts and perform the necessary actions so the operating system works without problems. A firewall is a whole system of defense blocking or allowing the passage of information from the internet and prevents people have access to the computer equipment. Antivirus software prevents, detects, and performs pertinent actions to delete and remove malware, such as the virus. The defragmentation of the hard disks helps the equipment to have access to all data in a quickly way. Readible's function is to help the equipment to improve the performance when memory starts running slowly. Generally, the operating system Windows detects, fails, and displays a window requesting if it is desired to execute a tool of diagnostic of memory. The version of 64 bits of Windows administrates great amounts of random access memory in a more efficient way than a system which operates with 32 bits. ObjectDoc is a software that simulates the graphical environment of the OS X operating system.
Operative system is the most important program of a computer. It is defined as the program that permits the user to take control of the computer. The main functions of the operative system are: interprets and executes the instructions through the interface, optimizes communication between input and output devices, coordinates the processing of tasks, provides diagnostic errors of the basic parts of the computer, and it serves as a connection to run the application software. There are different operative systems installed in the computer. Some of them are Windows, OS X, and Linux. The operative system can be classified in the following form: multi-user, that permits two or more users to execute programs at the same time; multitask, permits to execute two or more programs or applications at the same time; and multiprocessing, that have more than one processor which operates in the same memory but execute simultaneously processes. Types of interface. The interface is the communication means through which the user interacts with the software. There are two types of interface. Command line interface. The operative system provides a command line in which the user introduces the instructions or commands formed by characters. And graphical interface, that is the execution of commands and programs is achieved by selecting figures or icons that represent them, or by displaying menus or windows.
Windows 7. Windows 7 made its official debut to the public on October 22, 2009, as the latest in the 25-year-old line of Microsoft Windows operating systems and as the successor to Windows Vista. Windows 7 was released in conjunction with Windows Server 2008 R2 and Windows 7 Server counterpart. Enhancements and new characteristics in Windows 7 include multi-touch support, Internet Explorer 8, improved performance and startup time. Also, AeroSnap, AeroShake, support for virtual hard disk, and a new and improved Windows Media Center, and improved security.
A computer system is a complete working computer. Computer systems will include the computer along with any software and devices that are necessary to make the computer function. Every computer system requires an operating system. Hardware is a mechanical, magnetic, electronic, and electrical devices comprising a computer system, as the CPU, keyboard, or screen. Software are the programs used to direct the operation of a computer. Some examples for input devices are the keyboard and mouse, and the output devices are the webcam and the speakers.